What's happening, guys, and welcome back to yet another great video on our channel. The world is progressing every day. With new inventions, new developments also take place for normal machines. So let's check out amazing machines operating at an insane level. Number 4, TBM. A tunnel boring machine, or TBM for short, also referred to as a mole, is a machine that excavates circular tunnels through various soil and rock strata. They can be used for micro-tunneling as well. They will drill into a variety of materials, including hard rock and sand. To date, tunnel diameters have ranged from 1 meter done with micro-TBMs to 19.25 meters. Trenchless construction techniques or horizontal directional digging are commonly used instead of TBMs for tunnels less than a meter in diameter. Drilling and blasting, D&B techniques in rock, and traditional hand digging in the dirt are both replaced by tunnel boring machines. TBMs have the advantage of causing minimal ground disruption and creating a flat tunnel wall. The initial expense is the most significant downside. The lower the relative cost of tunnel boring machines than drill and blast processes, the longer the tunnel. This is because, assuming TBMs work well, tunneling with them is much more effective and results in shorter completion times. Number 3, Panther. Airport crash tenders are one of the most powerful and impressive devices. They have strong acceleration for such big, massive vehicles, can navigate rugged terrain outside of the airport, hold large amounts of water, and firefighting foam, are equipped with powerful high-capacity pumps and water foam cannons, and can provide firefighting media over long distances. They're compatible with 4x4, 6x6, and also 8x8 wheel chassis. The 8x8 wheeled machine could have all 4 wheels at the front of the vehicle engaged in turning the truck to reduce its turning radius. Twin agent nozzles injection systems are used in newer airport crash tenders to pump a supply of Purple K dry chemical into the AFFF foam stream, knocking down the fire quicker. Some have halotron tanks with hand lines for cases that necessitate the use of a clean agent. These features allow aircraft crash tenders to enter an aircraft quickly and put out major fires involving jet fuel quickly. Some tenders have an elevated extended extinguishing arm, allowing a water or foam cannon to be raised to a height of about 10 to 20 meters, puncturing through the superficial frameworks of an airplane to combat a fire within the fuselage. Number 2, Class DD-14. The Class DD-14 is an incredible Japanese machine that was a self-propelled rotating snowplow unit used in Japan from 1961 to 2015 by the regional railway company Japanese National Railways (JNR) and later by East Japan Railway Company as a BB wheel configuration diesel hydraulic motors type JR East. JR West, West Japan Railway Company, and Hokkaido Railway Company are 2 railway companies in Japan. The Class DD-14 was a single-end cab locomotive with a rotary snowplow assembly at the cab end based on the earlier Class DD-13 6-batch locomotives. It was the company's first diesel-powered rotary snowplow. The locomotives were powered by 2 diesel engines with a combined output of 500 horsepower or 370 kilowatt. The machine could be controlled in several, with a second locomotive allowing both engines to drive the rotary snowplow unit, providing a snow cleaning capacity of approximately 4,000 tons per hour, or the unit could be controlled in single, with one engine traction and the other driving the rotary snowplow, giving a snow clearing capacity of approximately 3,000 tons per hour. Number 1, the Komatsu 901TX. The Komatsu 901TX was designed from the ground up to be one of the most amazing and productive thinning machines in the world. It has an unrivaled mix of efficiency and maneuverability, making it highly powerful despite reducing its environmental effects. Growing strength clearance from the ground, a new higher capacity crane capable of greater lift, boosts output at maximum reach 125,386. The 635mm or 25 inches ground clearance improves the mobility while also reducing environmental effects. The new Komatsu Comfort Bogie provides a smooth ride, exceptional maneuverability, and enhanced climbing ability. And if you enjoyed this video and wish to see more of these in the future, then all you have to do is hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and press that bell icon. Until next time, take care and goodbye.